How to fix Zangi notification not working. Having trouble getting alerts from the Zangi? Let's troubleshoot why your notification might not be showing up. First, let's check your phone system setting. Go to your main setting app, then find the notification and scroll down to the Zangi. For that, go to the setting app, search it over here. And once you're inside it, go to the notification. You can see my notification right over here. Tap on it. And here you can see an option for app notification. As Zangi is app, let's go to the app notification. And from here, simply search for Zangi. You can see my Zangi over here and it's on. So the notification is on. And if it's not, just run it on. Make sure it's enabled and set to deliver permanently, not quietly. Need to check that? Good. Now open the Zangi app itself and go to in-app setting. Here you can see a setting icon or gear icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it and go to the setting. Now find the notification section there. You can see my notification right over here. Tap on it. And here you will find a different notification. There's a notification for chat, groups, phone previews, and message sounds. And on the message sounds, there's in-app sounds, in-app vibrate sound, group sounds, and call sounds, and many more. Simply turn the notification that you want or that you need. Now, what about the background permission? Your phone might be stopping Zangi from running when you are not actively using it. Go back to the main setting, find the apps or application, and select the Zangi and look for the battery or background uses. Ensure Zangi is allowed to run in the background without restriction. Let's go to the Zangi's app info, and here you can see a notification. So notification is 0 for now. And there's no other option for backup or background uses. However, you can see a notification right over here, which we saw earlier was on. And after doing all of this, you still don't get any notification. Let's try out the classic fix. Restart. Close the Zangi app completely and then open it again. If that doesn't do it, try restarting your entire phone. Finally, is your Zangi app updated? Open your phone's App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Zangi. If there's an update button, installing the latest version can fix the bugs, including notification issues. Go through these steps and hopefully your Zangi notification will be working correctly again. So that was all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.